There's different kinds of sevas, so at different times we do different sevas. So Nam Seva, it's called Harinam Seva, Japa Seva, that's also a seva. And at that time we have to follow the instructions of the acharyas about what we should do at that time while we're chanting japa. So at the time of doing japa seva or chanting Krishna's name, the acharyas give some activities that we can engage in. And one is that we simply hear the holy name. We really focus our attention and don't listen to any other thoughts. Don't drive all other thoughts out of the mind. Hare Krishna. And if the thoughts are demanding more attention, if our mind is chanting louder than our mala, our thoughts are chanting louder, then we have to chant louder. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. And just the sound, the transcendental sound, vibration, let it enter deeply in our ears and embrace that sound in our heart and wrap our ears around it and wrap our attention around the sound and fix our mind on the sound. That's hearing. And then another practice that can be done is meditate on the meaning of the holy name while chanting and repeatedly inject the meaning of the holy name into our mind and let our mind hold on to that rather than some other thought or other idea. So we're chanting and holding on to that meaning.